Hi everyone, and I'm back with another Diwali tutorial for today. And for today, I have something super quick. Again, something which you want to do mass production for Diwali. The same concept can be used for birthdays, etc. So here I'm using one of the transfers, and I'll link the transfer below for you all, but you could definitely see the code in the video, etc. So for those of you who are new to transfers, they transfer on top of paper, MDF, etc. Using just water, and I have a lot of tutorials on the same. You can check my YouTube channel for the playlist. Now here what I'm doing is I'm starting off with some dual textured white cardstock, and I am cutting it out using the largest die of decorative circles. So my idea today is to make some tags, and I wanted to do some quick and easy tags so that I could attach them to Diwali gifts that I'll be gifting out to people. And then I decided to use these transfers to kind of just decorate those tags rather than just keeping them simple. Now this is something which is extremely fun because everybody gets something different, and it is colorful. It is very easy to do. And you can, it's a good project that you can do with your kids, etc., for like Teachers Day, Diwali, birthdays, etc. So I start off with transfer. I have kind of cut it out around the design. I'm not being super precise about it. And then what I do is I remove the plastic backing and I stick it the good side down on the top of the paper. Once I do that, I apply some water on top of it using a sponge or a brush, whatever you have handy. Now, after applying water, you kind of need to wait for a couple of seconds. So during this time, I like to, take all the tags like I'm doing together, apply water, and then start sliding them off like how I'm showing you right now. And it is that simple. All you need to do is wait for a couple of seconds for the water to react with the transfers, and you'll see it becoming more translucent. If you still see white spots, that means you have added less water and you may need to add more water. Once you are able to slide it off from one corner, start from there and kind of peel or slide whatever works for you and remove the backing off, and then you are left with that beautiful design transferred on your paper, MDF, metal, etc. And then what I'm doing is I could have stamped on the back, but as I said, I wanted to do something which is quick, which could be done with your kids with less supplies. And here I'm just using the same transfer. It also has sentiments, and I'm kind of adding them on the back. And then I could add to and from on the back, and that would be it. Now comes the fun part of using my stash of ribbons that I have. I kind of coordinated two ribbons for every tag, and one of that is the color of the element that I'm using, and the other is kind of white to offset in different prints. And here are the four super quick easy tags that I made. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and gave you some ideas on how you can mass produce some of the things for the upcoming festive season or birthday parties, etc. I'll see you soon with another tutorial. Till then, guys, take care. Bye bye.